Hi guys, Pablo this side and founder of Team Ad Motivation, YouTuber, blogger, writer, and public speaker. And as I have done my 30 days course with my first batch, and it was one of the best courses that every student is saying. And today I'll be having a good conversation, the golden conversation with Dhruv with me. He was one of the student in the first batch. So Dhruv, first of all, welcome to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Dhruv, how are you feeling now? First of
I'm
all.
fine, sir. I'm fine, very fine. What about you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you so much. And what about the lockdown? Is everything fine at your home, in your society?
Uh, Everything is fine, but lockdown has changed so many people, their habits, and I think people are getting more lazy in this
Okay.
lockdown because,
That's why you have
yeah,
gained your weight, huh?
yeah, exactly.
Okay, Dhruv, thank you so much. So, Dhruv,
Yeah.
let's talk about the 30 days BKD mentorship program. So,
Yes.
before I come to the point, let's talk about how was your lifestyle before coming to this course?
Sir, before the 30 days program, everyone was busy in, I think, social media because they don't have work in this lockdown.
Hmm.
People are not aware about the things they can do in these time period because they have time now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, people will say we don't have enough
And
time,
how was your
right?
lifestyle? How was your lifestyle?
My lifestyle, sir, I was totally merged into the phone,
Hmm.
social media. I was just a couch potato, eating, sleeping, and phone all the time. But yeah, before when I get introduced to your course, I think that I should go into it so that I can change myself because these are the opportunities that come and pass by. We have to grab.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Just
So
yeah.
let's talk about now. Who told you about this course?
Sir, my friend told me about this course. Basically, I have seen this. I have seen your post about this course earlier, but when I see that my friend is also referring this, so that I think that it would be useful because I have after plus two I have changed my network from those friends to
Yeah, yeah.
some
We
those
change our
leaders
friends.
like
Yeah, by the time we change our
I
friend
changed
circle.
my
Yeah.
network to
That's
increase my
great.
net
That's great.
worth.
And now
Yeah,
let's talk about when you started this course and you completed 30 days. How was the experience
yeah.
in between these 30 days?
Yeah, the experience was totally awesome. I got engaged in new habits. I have improved myself. One step a day was fine. I was engaging into new habits. It was not so difficult. But yeah, starting में थोड़ा हुआ. लेकिन धीरे धीरे with the practice, I was getting indulged into it.
Great, great. So,
And
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, please.
and I was experiencing the change in me, like waking up early
Hmm.
puts more energy in the day. We
Hmm.
have goals, we pre-plan our day, and
Yeah.
we get busy. We don't have free time to let's chit chat
You
over
started
WhatsApp.
doing
Yeah,
the daily planner. And how was that experience?
exactly.
Writing down your
Yeah,
one day
this daily
before
planner
everything.
helped me a lot. This daily planner helped me a lot. Like before the day start, I start planning things that what will be I do today,
Hmm.
and before sleeping, I recheck these things that whether I put efforts into it or not. Where
Hmm.
was the mistake? Where was something like putting efforts was low
Yeah,
self
lack
esteem.
of
These
efforts.
things,
Yeah.
yeah. There was a checking on activities what I was doing every day.
Then did you find the whole daily planner that I gave you initial on the very first day of the course? Did you find it useful?
Very useful, sir. Not even 30 days. I'm still doing it now
Okay,
after being
great.
30 days. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
okay.
become a habit. Like it become a part of life.
Then it should be.
Pre-planning
It should be
things.
after 21 days. This is psychological fact that after 20 days, if you do something for continuously 30 days, it becomes your habit. And guys, here we are talking about the
Exactly.
daily planner. There's some paper that I gave them to fill the day before that how will you spend your next day, and it was called what I gave it the name the daily planner, which was very useful to all the students. And Dhruv is one of them who implemented it, and now it has become the habit of Dhruv. So Dhruv, let's talk about. You learned the five skills. Which skill you find more useful
Yeah.
to you?
Sir, communication. I always say communication work for those who works at it.
Yeah,
Communication is
exactly.
the only way we can interact with people. We like I have heard that our strangers are our real supporters.
Hmm.
So how to communicate with strangers? Like it was a gut feeling that people think that how to talk to strangers. There was an ego in between the talk
Yeah,
that why should I do this?
yeah,
Why should I need to do this? But if one first word stuck in the mouth, it stops the conversation. But if
Hmm.
that only word comes out of the mouth, the whole conversation just go like a maple
Yeah,
syrup over a pancake.
that's
It goes
exactly
so
it.
smoothly. Yeah,
So smoothly, and it attracts a stranger or the person you love or your person who is nearby to you in your relative. It makes you stand in
exactly.
front of the people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you
It brings the glory in our personality. Like he is the
exactly.
person that who connect easily to people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This goes, and everybody should try this. Guys, I just want to say, a lot of great personalities. The top three people, 3% people in the world, they have this big habit that they can communicate easily with the world. They can stand on the stage and they can easily communicate, and that's this skill that makes them different than others. Okay, so Dhruv, let's talk about the easiest skill out of these five skills: the English and the communication, public speaking, interview, and writing skill that you have done all the course. Which skill you find more easy that was for you? So this was easy, and I could easily handle that.
Yeah, I think that writing skills was always the cup of my tea because from
Hmm.
ninth standard I was indulging into the writing,
Hmm.
various essays, speeches, and uh, all of the four classes, 9, 10th, 11, and 12th. I was totally connected with my English teachers. They always support me that you have good vocab, you can do more and more. So it was a great push to me to write more and more. I indulge in reading newspaper. I am fond of reading books also.
Exactly. Good.
So
Good. Good.
I always keep updated about the words, how where they can be used and how it can be more gold. A speech can be more glorious to the
Glorious,
reader.
attractive.
Like
Yes, exactly. To reader, to
yeah,
the
eye catchy.
audience, to the target people. Yes, exactly. I would love to take you one step back. I want to come back communication as well. You were talking about the communication. You find it more. Which part of the communication that you were taught by me and you enjoyed that? Which was that part?
The most part I was totally attracted by, like you once said that people will take interest in you when you take interest in their interest of area. Like
Hmm.
people want to listen what they admire the most. Like
Yeah,
if
exactly.
we are strangers and I talk about your area of interest, like you like reading books, and I will start talking about books and other things, so you will get attracted automatically toward me. And but if my purpose is saying this something to you, so you will definitely think about it. Yeah, this person
Exactly,
is good,
exactly.
so we can connect easily.
Exactly, exactly. That was the thing that I was teaching you how to talk to the strangers, and this was a tip actually that I gave them. Would you like to speak one tip that I shared you apart from this tip you want to tell to the people and you want to advise them to improve their communication?
One tip I gave that
Yeah,
don't be
definitely.
afraid.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Don't be afraid while talking. Don't be afraid. People will not judge you. First thing, don't be judgmental. That as you said to me
Hmm.
before 30 days, don't be judgmental. Don't think that people will think about me, my body, how I'm looking. People just attracted by the words. They see if you have confidence,
Exactly.
the temperament to handle the situations. They will totally in control with you,
Yes,
of you.
exactly. You are saying right, man. Nobody is going to attract. Nobody is going to catch your body, your looks, and all these things. If you have power
Yeah,
in your
exactly.
words, if you have power in your words, talk about Sandeep Maheshwari, patla sa hai, but still people want to listen. Talking about the Vivek Bindra, choti si height hai, mota sa hai, but still people are attracted. Talking about Shiv Kheda,
Exactly.
boode ho gaye hain, but still people are attracted just because of the words that they share, the enthusiasm, the courage they give to the people, and how they influence to the world. That's really inspiring. Okay, Dhruv, let's come back to the reading section. You already had this habit. So this habit, you were polishing this habit with me. How was the part of reading section? You started, I told you the tip how to read one book in one day. How was that experience?
Oh, yeah. Reading one book in a day was most difficult challenge for me because if I start reading a book, I read it in almost around 1.5 months because I read only
Hmm.
4 to 5 pages a day. And
Okay.
reading a book in a single day was a huge challenge for me. But the trick which helped me was focusing on the mid portion of the story, like scratching diamond from the coal. Like
Exactly,
if there is a
exactly.
coal mine, yeah, we can extract diamond. How we can extract? Because we have to focus on the what he wanna convey, not about the story. We have to just conclude more from less.
So this was really
Yeah.
beneficial for you. And now let's come to the interview part. How was the interview section? You find it useful or not?
Very useful, sir. Very useful. In where like people have mindset that interview is only connecting with the interviewer. We have to just give the answer, but it's actually not. We are high, like big companies like Google, Amazon. They don't need a degree. They don't. They are
Yeah,
not
exactly.
interested in our CVs, resume. They're interested in how we communicate with them. How if they feel like ourselves, or we connect our souls and put our hard work into it. If
Yeah,
they find useful
that's their
us,
endeavors and
exactly.
skills that they look for.
Yeah,
They have
they
to
will
check out
train
your
totally
skills.
us.
Yeah, yeah. Because later on,
They
trust me,
just
guys.
need the temperament and
Yeah,
attitude.
exactly. They need the temperament and skills because you can be trained later. उनको काम कैसे करवाना है, they can teach you later. They will definitely teach you about it, how to do the work. The thing that they are looking, every international company is looking, Google, ITIL, and Microsoft and Amazon, all the people, they are looking just the skills. If you have the skills, you can be trained later. बढ़ाया आपको बाद में जा सकता है, आपको skills ट्रेनिंग्स बाद में भी दी जा सकती हैं, लेकिन जो आपका अंदर का स्किल है, दिस इज व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू चेक आउट एंड दिस इज द सेम थिंग गूगल Dhruv is talking about Google and all the companies. So Dhruv, coming up, you just tell me uh, your whole experience in these 30 days and you invested just 500 rupees. Do you find it worthy?
So worth it, totally worth it. Like it is the, I think, the best investment in myself.
Hmm.
The best.
So Dhruv, investing 500 rupees in 30 days, do you find it worthy?
Totally worth it, sir. Like if we have a currency of 500 note, like,
Hmm.
and if we put in our pocket,
Hmm.
after 30 days, it will only be 500. Just
Hmm.
a piece of currency.
Hmm.
We can't do nothing more than spending on clothes, eating in food outlets, and etc. etc. But I think investing in ourselves is the best investment of all the time. As
Hmm.
Warren Buffett, the biggest investor of our world,
On this
said
earth,
that
yes, exactly.
uh, they said that biggest investment is investing time in ourselves, not for the world. Live for yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Live for yourself. Here, it's not being selfish. Trust me, guys.
Yeah,
Dhruv
yeah,
का
yeah.
मतलब यहाँ पे don't being selfish. When you hurt someone, this is being selfish. But when you want to improve, you want to grow, you want to become more and more self-realized, that's beneficial. This is what Dhruv means. Live for yourself. That means you have to grow so that you can help thousands of people every single day. Okay. So, Dhruv, talking about in future, a lot of students will share, and now a lot of people are listening to you, and this will be uploaded on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody is going to watch you now, and they're watching you. What is your advice to those people about this course?
Yeah, I wanna advise them that opportunities don't knocks the door only once. It
Hmm.
comes like a single gush of wind and it's passed by totally.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
your decision. It's your, like it's your. If you have self-respect now, you will definitely do. If you wanna be
Exactly.
better than your past, if you wanna be different from herd of sheep, like everyone is following like a herd of sheep, going to various colleges to get, putting a lot of donations and other thing. I think it's always the wastage of money. Investing 20 lakhs for 35K job for 20 years. What is that life? I don't understand. Like why?
That's okay.
Education is very necessary. School education is only organized learning, that they will only give us a plus two class mark sheet,
Okay,
not
yes,
more.
yes, yes. Just a second. And Dhruv, I want to ask one more thing that the cost of the course, the complete course, BKD mentorship, now it's 799. Do you find investing 800 rupees in themselves is gonna be worthy for them as well?
Yeah, totally worth it. Totally worth it, sir. Self investment doesn't see the cost.
Hmm.
If you wanna earn skill, you if you wanna learn skill, you have to invest in it. We have to pay for the skills, I think. I believe personally. So 799 is not more, because we do a lot of things which we do not have advantage over it, like it's materialistic things we have invest on just for the, like, getting likes on Instagram, more social media, attracting social media.
Do you want to say to the people? Do you want to say something to the people right now watching to you about this course, whether they should join it or not?
Yeah, definitely. I must recommend everyone to join this course, because if you want to change your life now, you have to change firstly your environment. Whenever you get stuck with the leaders, you have joined the programs, you have connect with the leaders and most other motivational speakers. Your environment changed, your mind
Yeah,
started
exactly.
thinking like those five. Like we have heard, if we surround ourselves by five leaders, now we will be the sixth one.
Exactly. If you are with the five
Yeah,
richest person, you will be the sixth one. If you are with five stupids, then you will be the sixth
sixth one.
stupid.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
So this is a really nice thing, Dhruv. It's a really nice thing. So Dhruv, one more thing. What was the best thing in the whole course, in all 30 days? You find one of the best thing that touched your heart.
The best thing was practicality. We don't here just learn, we practice. Like I am interacting with you. Later on in this course, I was always interacting with you, trying my best. The quizzes and competitions were the best part, I think. Yeah,
Exactly.
it was
Everybody.
it was curious. It was making me to push more and more. Like we have to think faster
You have to
and taking
think
actions.
faster, write faster, bring the result, and first get. You have to be
Exactly.
first. You have to come first.
Yeah, I was improving
And,
just
and I
my
think
brain functioning as well.
you also got second position in one competition, right? And
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have to
yeah,
give
yeah.
you a diary as well that's left. Whenever I'll come to you, I'll definitely give you that
Sure, sir. Sure,
100%.
sure.
So thank you so much, Dhruv. It was really great interaction with you. I hope
Yeah.
so. It was the 30 days BGD mentorship program was really amazing for you, and it will be definitely. And future we will have more the programs, the commando habits that I'm going to bring in future. So guys, I just want to say Dhruv has changed his life by just attending 30 days, and in 799, this is not just money. This is a big investment of your life that you can make. One thing. Second thing, if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, those who need to listen to the Dhruv. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Let's meet up in the course, the video mentorship. Bye bye. Thank you.